Google is a great place to go for images when you're working on a project. However, we have to take another step and make sure that the images that we are using are not copyright restricted. So you're just going to do a regular Google search, switch it to images like you always would, and you're going to see all of these images come up. We have to take one more step. We have to go up to the cog on the right side and select Advanced Search. We're going to scroll down to Usage Rights, and you'll notice that right now we're on Not Filtered by License, which basically means that any and every image is on there, whether it's okay for us to use or not. So we're going to pull this down, and we want to make our selections from the free to use or share images. If for some reason you want to change that image, then you'll need to be sure to select the one that says it's okay to modify. But for most of our projects, we simply need to copy and paste. So we're going to go to free to use or share and do our advanced search. We still have several images to choose from. And yes, we can use the image now, but we have to take the final step of citing our source. We are not going to cite Google Images as the source. So what we need to do is visit the page that the original photo came from. This one actually comes from Flickr. You'll notice if you scroll down that all of the information you need for your citation is beneath the image. Flickr and Wikimedia Commons are two of the most common places to find images that are freely available for non-commercial use. If you'd like to double-check the usage rights on those sites, for Flickr, all you need to do is right-click on the image and click on Some Rights Reserved to get an explanation of how it can be used. You are free to share, to copy, distribute, and transmit the work, so we're all good. For Wikimedia Commons, we're going to go back to our image search. We can find one from the Commons. We need to visit that page, of course. And the same information is found under the image in a section called Permissions. This image or file is a work of a Federal Bureau of Investigation employee. As a work of the U.S. federal government, the image is in the public domain, so we are free to use or share. Please see a librarian if you have any further questions.